Are you looking for the best saw blades for plywood? In this video, we will break down the top 5 saw blades for plywood on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Hi there! Here at Tools Informer, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks with a buying guide for every category based on product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the product links down below in the description. And please, like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews and buying guides regularly.
At number 1, CONCORD Blades Saw Blade. This blade comes with teeth that have a special shape and angle to keep the sawdust and other debris out of the way. In other words, the debris will not be trapped between the teeth. With this feature, you can be confident of having a blade that doesn't get dull. Plus, it helps you to plunge the blade deep into the wood, and it will not get stuck. The blade itself is made of steel, along with titanium teeth with carbide tips. The combination of the carbide and titanium assures you of a durable blade that is durable and strong enough to cut through wood. Furthermore, these materials help to prevent the blade and teeth from getting hot, even when you use them for a long time. At number 2, FREUD D12100X Saw Blade. It's designed for 12-inch miter saws and slide miter saws. This high-performance blade has a thin laser-cut curve, an unstick coating, laser-cut stabilizer vents, and tri-metal shock-resistant brazing. The blade effortlessly cuts through wood, and the high-density carbide tips can withstand extreme impact and stay sharp for extended periods. The Parma Shield coating protects the blade from getting too hot and from gumming up and corroding, while the vents stabilize and control the blade. Overall, it produces finished cuts with no chip out. However, it may not be a good blade to cut wood laminate flooring, and it can dull quicker than some other brands. At number 3, Twintown TTW 71460 Saw Blade. This blade has 60 teeth. Such teeth are not the smallest number on the market, but in their class, they cut quicker than most knives. Usually, this blade is perfect for cutting or scrubbing tables, conifers, deciduous trees, or even surfaces for breeding. By the way, it still has a great finish to offer, better than other knives. The blade containing C4 tungsten carbide teeth is in tungsten carbide. Combining the two methods means you have a lasting blade that supports your plywood cutting projects. The blade has an elegant tungsten carbide teeth feature which can run at a maximum speed of 8300 RPM. Twintown will crack any material containing plywood easily. At number 4, FREUD D1060X Saw Blade. The outstanding feature of this blade is the super thin laser curve. It produces durable, fast, and above all, clean cuts. There is also much less risk of a blowout or grabbing. After using this blade, there's no need for additional sanding as the surface finish is smooth. While the blade is extremely thin, it's been made using hardened steel which makes it exceedingly durable. Versatility is another feature of this blade. It fits a variety of table and miter saws. Also, it is a fine finished table saw blade ideal for cutting wood composites and wood. It's the ideal choice for any trim carpenters since it leaves a very smooth surface. Little or no sanding is required. You'll find more details by clicking on the following link. At number 5, OSHLUN SBW055036 Saw Blade. If you are looking for an aggressive trimming and finishing blade and want to spend the least amount of money possible, this could be an obvious pick. This blade cuts a super thin curve, meaning the saw needs to work less. It also features an aggressive hook angle on the teeth, enabling it to cut faster than comparable blades. The teeth themselves are precision ground and carbide tipped for extra cutting precision. Plus, this tool is designed as a budget option, mainly for casual home users. If you don't need anything top-end for intensive cutting work, this could be an excellent option. However, if you require a higher quality blade, you should probably look elsewhere.